My name is Antonio Schiavone. I'm the head of construction department for home office activities. I'm employee of Tecnimont. Tecnimont is an EPC contractor, is an international company. Our business is related for the engineering, procurement and construction activities. Our project in this section is related for sustainability program. We have a strong sustainability program, and then we explain during the section which are our 70 points. Our step and our target is a target in 2030, step 1 and step 2 for CO2 emission to low emission, and then in these cases we are working side by side with our engineer, with our vendor, with our partner to improve the technology to achieve the low carbon emission. Inside to our 70 point, one of the strong points is on a local community. We are in particularly, we pay a particular attention to the local community to improve, for example, the school, the new training program, for example, for welding school, and then we encourage the business around our accommodation for, in particular for restaurant, for gym, and for all the well-being for the people. AUTOMA is a great opportunity not only for us, but for all the competitors, all the company to achieve the new technology and the new digital activities. That's why we believe that is a very important participation from our side to AUTOMA, in this case 2025. We have a long partnership with AUTOMA. We participate from beginning of the AUTOMA, and then in these cases I can say that AUTOMA is an opportunity in terms of the improving of digital approach. We found that a kindly management in terms of the people, in terms of the employee of AUTOMA in BGS, and then is an opportunity to open the discussion and our network.